Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problem code 43 in Windows 11, 10. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click Problematic Device, disable and re-enable device. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click USB Controllers, click Uninstall Device. Third method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand USB Settings, click and expand USB Selective Suspend Settings, change to Disabled, click Apply, click OK. Fourth method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand System, click and expand Current Control Set, click and expand Services. Click USB Store. Open Error Control, change value data to 3. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.